An explosive second test flight for SpaceX mega rocket Starship. The spaceship designed to bring NASA astronauts to the moon, launching from Texas this morning. It made it farther than the first flight, which blew up after takeoff. As ABC's Phil Lipoff explains, this one ended with a bang.
SpaceX launched its mega rocket Starship Saturday morning from South Texas, its second test flight.
2, 1.
Company officials said it successfully lifted off under its own power. The booster then separated and the rocket ship reached space before communication was lost 8 minutes in. The spacecraft experienced a, quote, rapid unscheduled disassembly, then exploded via the self-destruct system over the Gulf of Mexico. At nearly 400 feet, Starship is the biggest and most powerful rocket ever built. The first test flight of Starship this past April ended in an explosion shortly after liftoff. But since then, SpaceX has made dozens of improvements to the booster and its 33 engines, as well as the launch pad. SpaceX founder Elon Musk taking to his social media platform X, calling the launch a success, posting several images of the rocket as it soared into space and congratulating everyone who worked on the mission. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson also praised the launch. The FAA said no injuries or public damage have been reported and added it will oversee SpaceX's investigation into the mishap to ensure the company complies with regulatory requirements. SpaceX cannot launch another Starship until the review is complete. NASA is counting on Starship to get astronauts to the moon sometime around the end of 2025. The space agency awarding SpaceX a $3 billion contract to make it happen by transferring astronauts from its Orion capsule to Starship in lunar orbit before heading down to the surface. Phil Lipoff, ABC News, New York.